Welcome back to our video tutorial series on our Precision Hub Stands Porsche Pro package. So just a recap of what we completed so far, we've got the car on Precision Hub Stands on the leveling pads. We've checked ride height, we've checked camber and made adjustments, and we've checked caster. Caster was close enough between the front left and front right to what we were after that we decided to leave it alone. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at toe and setting/adjusting toe with our laser alignment system. In the last video, we installed the laser alignment system to check caster, and in doing so, we already set the offsets front to rear to ensure that the laser alignment system modules are the same width front to rear. We did that by taking a measurement in the front and a measurement in the rear of track width, utilizing the laser alignment system mounts and certified steric tape measures, and then divided that difference by 2. In this case, the front, which is very common on Porsches, was wider than the rear. So we had to push out the rear laser alignment system modules 29.5 millimeters. So now we're going to get into setting toe utilizing all of those settings. So here you can see we're still at the 5 millimeters of toe in mark from the previous video that hasn't changed. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the front of the car, we're going to adjust the toe arm until we get the laser line to 1/4 millimeter of toe out. We're really looking for neutral toe, right around a 0 toe, but we don't like to leave it right at 0 because it kind of is an odd neutral place. So we'll set it to 0.25 millimeters of toe out, and we can watch that change live as we adjust the toe. So here we are adjusting the toe arm. We've already loosened the locking nut and the clamp from the aftermarket Tear-It toe arms. So as we turn the toe arm, we can just watch that happen in real time. Here we are. There's 0 coming up on it, and that looks like 0.25. So now I'm just going to walk up and double check to make sure, and bam, yep, we're right at 0.25 millimeters of toe out. So we'll tighten up this toe arm, we'll go over to the other side, we'll do the exact same thing, and then we'll set it up for the rear. So here we are at the left front laser alignment system. And as you can see, the left front measures the left rear toe, and we're sitting at about 1 millimeter, maybe 1.25 millimeters of left rear toe in. What we want is 0.5 millimeters of left rear toe in. So what we're going to do is we'll go to the back of the car. We've already loosened the clamping bolts. We're going to turn the toe arm until we get to 0.5 millimeters of left rear toe in, and we're going to watch that change live. So here we are adjusting the toe arm itself, and as we turn it, we watch the toe change. That looks about right. Maybe just a hair more. And there we go. 0.5 millimeters of toe in. So right now we're going to go ahead and tighten up the left rear toe arms, and then we'll go to the right rear, adjust it the same as we just adjusted this one, and then we're all set on toe. To recap everything that we've done in this tutorial series, we introduced our Precision Hub Stands Pro package. We installed the Precision Hub Stands onto the Cayman. We put the leveling pads in place and level and planed them. We checked camber and made a couple of adjustments. We checked caster, decided to leave it where it was, and then we checked toe. And in toe, we adjusted it at the front and rear. So our finishing measurements wound up being 2.5 degrees of camber in both front, 2.1 degrees of camber at both rears, 7.2 and 7.1 degrees of caster in the front, and then 0.5 millimeter of toe in the rear for each side, and 1/4 millimeter of toe out at each side in the front. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial series. If you have any questions, want to see anything in more depth, or a specific item, feel free to let us know. Thank you.